Today I'm making a zesty yet perfectly sweetened Monte Cristo sandwich. You'll need bread, thinly sliced ham, butter, Swiss cheese, mayo, mustard, powdered sugar, raspberry preserves, and maple syrup. First, butter one side of each slice of bread that you plan on using. For this video, I'm only making one sandwich just to demonstrate how I do it. After you get one side of the bread buttered, you're going to go ahead and put mayonnaise on the other side of each slice. Now with the mayonnaise side up, add the Swiss cheese and then add the ham as much as you desire. Put some mustard on there. And then you're going to go ahead and add another slice of Swiss cheese. Put the other slice of bread on, mayonnaise side down onto the Swiss cheese. Transfer that to a skillet that is preheated on low. And then you're going to put a lid on that. And the reason you're doing this on low and putting a lid on it is because you want to melt the cheese first. Swiss cheese does take a little longer to melt. So this way you make sure everything's incorporated well before you actually crisp up the bread. Just carefully turn the sandwich 2 or 3 times just to make sure it gets heated through evenly and melts the cheese. And then when that's ready, you can just remove the lid and leave the lid off and go ahead and fry your sandwich. There seem to be quite a few different ways that people make the Monte Cristo sandwich, but I find that this is the easiest, the simplest, and it tastes delicious. And traditionally, you should use raspberry jam or raspberry preserves and to serve with this, and then maybe some maple syrup or whatever syrup you desire. But first, before you do anything, after you cut this, or even before you cut it, you're going to want to sprinkle some powdered sugar on this, and that's what makes this a zesty but sweet sandwich. Turn the sandwich over so that you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on both sides. And if you've never tried this, please do. It did surprise me. I did not really think I would like it, but it is delicious. And as always, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.